How can you determine the total amount of paper money in a piggy bank before removing it?
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss: how to determine the total amount of paper money in a piggy bank before removing it. Piggy banks have been a popular way to save money for many years, and they often hold a mix of different bills. In this video, we will explore some methods you can use to calculate the total value of paper money in your piggy bank. So, let's get started.
Sorting the bills.
The first step in determining the total amount of paper money in your piggy bank is to sort the bills. Take out all the paper money from the piggy bank and begin organizing them by their denominations. Separate the $1 bills from the $5 bills, $10 bills, and so on. This step will make it easier to count and calculate the total value of each denomination.
Counting the bills.
Once you have sorted the bills, the next step is to count each denomination separately. Start with the $1 bills and count how many you have. Write down the number of $1 bills you counted. Repeat this process for each denomination, counting the number of each bill and keeping track of it.
Determining the value of each denomination.
After counting the bills, it's time to determine the value of each denomination. Remember the number of bills you counted in Section 2? Multiply that number by the denomination of each bill to find the total value for each denomination. For example, if you have $21 bills, the total value would be 20 times $1 equals $20. Repeat this calculation for each denomination you counted.
Summing up the total value.
Now that you have the total value for each denomination, it's time to sum them up to get the overall total amount of paper money in your piggy bank. Add together the values you calculated in Section 3 for each denomination. Write down the value for each denomination and then add them up. This final sum will give you the total amount of paper money in your piggy bank. Congratulations! You have successfully determined the total amount of paper money in your piggy bank without removing it. Remember, the key steps are sorting the bills, counting each denomination, determining the value of each denomination, and summing up the total value. By following these steps, you can accurately assess the amount of money you have saved in your piggy bank. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Happy saving!